Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Apicorp Energy Forum.
In the Kingdom of Bahrain, we have learned to use the price drop as an opportunity to drive through vital changes and operational improvements and achieve cost optimization.
دعم المشاريع متوسطة الحجم.
We believe the OPEC policy is the right one, and yes, there is some pain with some of the producing countries, but we believe that from next year that the market will change itself and we could see some sort of improvement.
We should not look on short term. The market will balance itself, of course, over a period of time. These are cycles.
Last week said we are considering a VAT tax.
أصحاب المعالي أيها الإخوة والأخوات، يعتبر الوطن العربي من أهم مناطق العالم في معادلة الإنتاج.
The story is really not about demand. The story is that actually demand, despite its being strong enough, it has not been able to absorb all of the supplies coming into the market.
Shale is not quick response. Shale is very slow response, certainly compared to OPEC. It's taken, falling prices for 18 months for shale to now show a year-on-year decline.
Some companies will be absorbed and some will go away, but you're not going to lose very much by way of shale oil production, particularly because nestled within some of those very financially distressed companies are good assets, and those good assets will continue to produce through bankruptcy, through acquisition, through restructuring regardless. They're not going to go away.
We are obviously very pleased with the turnout of the event and seeing so many important stakeholders here today. Apicorp is obviously also looking to build many strategic partnerships with local, regional and international players, and to use that in terms of growing our mandate in the region and internationally.
We're on the cusp right now of 2016. We've had a year and a bit now of low oil prices, and I think everyone is now looking forward over the next 12 months to see whether the impact or the policies that OPEC are implementing are finally going to have an effect.
I think it's very informative.
It's very useful. I've done a lot of these kind of forums, and I think this one's really well done. It's small enough, yet you have enough important figures in the region to contribute. So it isn't about size, it's about the quality. It's very quality, I think.
I find this gathering quite interesting. It addresses the issues of energy and the challenges of the energy in the GCC. We are listening to the ministers, various roundtable discussion and so on. I think it's a great opportunity to be here for us.
It's clear that we are at a time of uncertainties. Lots of questions remain unanswered, and definitely it's good to get some responses from the key players of that market, that is the energy market, and in particular from this region.
It was good to see how producing countries are thinking of and how they are responding to this low price environment. And I would say that we've seen some of these responses, and it was actually a good opportunity, especially for people from outside to have access to this high level of caliber and the high level of policy making in the region as well.